Hello students, this is Krupa Lakhani. I hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn how to edit a worksheet in Excel, that is, editing a worksheet. Microsoft Excel is one of the most popular spreadsheet program. Now, after entering data in a worksheet, we may need to make some changes in it. We can add more data and edit its content. Editing a worksheet involves changing cell content, copying, moving data, inserting or deleting rows and columns. Now, we often need to select a group of cells to perform various operations such as copying, moving, inserting or deleting. Selection can be made in any of the following ways. First, a row or a column. Click the row or column heading. Now, if you want to select entire worksheet, press Ctrl plus A or click the Select All button. If you want to select adjacent rows or columns in Excel, select the first row or column, then hold down the Shift key while you select the last row or column. If you want to select non-adjacent rows or columns, click the row or column, then hold down the Control key while you select the other rows or columns for selection. You can change the cell content. The characters and numbers typed in a worksheet can be seen both in cell as well as formula bar. Enter the content and press enter key on enter button on the formula bar to accept the changes. When you type in the new data into the cell, the two buttons cancel and enter will appear on the left of the formula bar. Now, cell contents can be modified in two ways, either by replacing cell content or using edit mode. Replacing cell content. By default, you can edit the cell content directly and replace them with a new entry. We can also edit cell content in following ways. To change the content of the cell, select the cell and then click on the formula bar where you want to insert characters. Now make modifications directly in the formula bar. Turn on the overtype mode by double clicking the cell. Press the insert key from the keyboard, start typing in a cell. When overtype mode is turned on, the cursor changes to a thick blinking bar. The blinking bar is visible only when you are in edit mode. Using edit mode, select the cell. For example, D4 is selected here. Double click inside the cell. The data is displayed in the formula bar. You can see same data in the formula bar. The insertion point will blink within the cell. Note that the edit mode is indicated on the left side of the status bar. Position the pointer at the desired place and change the content and press the enter key. Notice the edit mode indicator changes to ready mode. Undo and redo feature are very useful. If you have made modifications and if you want to again retrieve the previous data, you can undo it. To undo the last action performed, use the undo button on the quick access toolbar. The shortcut key for undo is Ctrl plus Z. Now, if you want to redo means the redo command is used to quickly repeat the last actions that you have done using undo command. Now, the shortcut key for redo is Ctrl plus Y. Inserting columns and rows. You can insert blank cells, rows or columns in a worksheet. To insert single column, select the column or cell to the left of which a new column is to be inserted. To insert multiple columns, rows or cells, select the same number of columns, rows, cells that you want to insert. To insert a non-adjacent columns, hold down the Control key while you select non-adjacent columns. You can insert a row by selecting the row and then choosing Insert from Insert Sheet Rows in the Cells group on the Home tab. Copying and moving data. Copying refers to duplicating data, that is text, numbers, formula either in the same worksheet or in different worksheet. Moving refers to changing the position of data either in the same worksheet or in different worksheet. To move or copy data, use the cut, copy, paste commands. These commands are available in Clipboard. Now, steps for copying and pasting. Select the cell or range of cells you want to copy. Click on Copy button in the Clipboard group. Select the cell where you want to move copied data and click on the Paste button in the Clipboard group. Shortcut key for cut, copy, paste are: for cut we use Ctrl plus X, for paste we use Ctrl plus V, and for copy we use Ctrl plus C. Moving data around. Sometimes you find that the placement of data is not appropriate. You need to delete and retype it. Excel allows you to move data around the worksheet. By using drag and drop method, select a cell or range of cells. Position the mouse pointer at the edge of the selected cells. Notice that the pointer shape changes, and then drag the selected cell or range of cells to a new destination and release the mouse button. Using autofill feature, Excel provides a wonderful feature for copying cell content. The autofill is the easiest method to fill data in the cell automatically. For example, if you have typed 1 and 2 and if you can drag the plus sign till the end, the series is filled automatically, the number after which you have dragged. Put the mouse pointer over the bottom right hand corner of the cell until it's a black plus sign. Then click and hold the left mouse button and drag the plus sign over the cells you want to fill. And the series is filled in for you automatically. Thank you and have a nice day.